winch tractors, bed trucks, heavy wreckers. These are some of the most majestic pieces of iron on the open road, and they've been engineered and built to do one thing and one thing only: get the toughest jobs done in the most grueling conditions. You'll see some of them hard at work, moving rigs up in the rugged oil fields of northern Alberta. Others will be dispatched in the middle of a blizzard to clear the wreckage off the road and pull smashed up semis out of the ditches on the mighty Coquihalla Highway. And you'll even find some of them navigating switchbacks and ultra steep grades in the brutal mountainous terrain of British Columbia, ensuring that mission critical equipment gets to its destination to keep the logging industry moving forward. Regardless of the intended application they were built for, all of these workhorses have one thing in common in order to do their jobs: winch power. Hey everyone, Crafty Carl here on a Friday morning. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. I always enjoy reading what the viewers have to say, and I always appreciate it when you hit the subscribe button to help me grow this channel. As a veteran crane operator, I've been looking at my load lines in a drum mirror or a camera screen for almost 25 years now, so I'm no stranger to winch power. Today, and on behalf of our team at 3D Concepts, I am very pleased to introduce our lineup of 16 winches that are now available in our store. If you like to build tow trucks, oil field equipment, or any of the many other applications that require a winch, you're going to want to stay tuned while I go through this exciting new product launch. Let's take a look at each winch individually and how you can order yours today. When we decided to do the winch lineup that is going to be launched into the store later on today, we picked 16 different winches from 2 manufacturers. In front of me, I have 6 of the prototypes that we've printed in order to make sure that the scaling is right and the quality is good. We're going to take a closer look at those in a minute. The first thing I'm going to do is go through 11 of the 16 winches that we have selected. So we'll start with the Braden lineup. The first one up here is the Braden TR12. And the number that is on these winches, the 12, in most cases, that refers to the line pull that the winch can handle. So 12 meaning 12,000 pounds. It's usually in imperial measurements. So that would be a 6-ton winch. And in some cases that could be different, but when you go to the website, and I'll show you how to get there, all the details for each winch, including the line pull, is going to be listed for all of them. Next up, we've got the Braden TR20. Next, we've got the Braden TR20A. We've got the Braden TR30. Another Braden RW300A. The Braden HRD 40A. And you can see here on this one, it says 40,000 pounds line pull on the first layer across the base of the drum. And the next two are pretty big. This is the Braden HP 80. That would be equivalent to a 40-ton winch, something that would be used on a oil field bed truck application. And last from the Braden lineup is the HS 50P. Now this would be a 50-ton winch. Okay, next we'll take a look at the Tulsa. So I've got 3 selections from the Tulsa. First one is the Tulsa 800H. Next is the Tulsa RN80P. And then this one I really like. This is another 50-ton winch. This is a Tulsa Roughneck 100 RNW. And like I said, once they're into the store catalog, the description of the winch itself and the line pull is going to be listed on there. Now let's take a look at the prototypes in front of me. You can see that the quality and the detail is spot on. These are really nice. And again, your base of the winch is not going to look like this. This is why we test everything first, and then before it goes into production, we make sure that we get all the flaws out of that. So it's going to be straight across like this side here. I believe this is the Tulsa Roughneck 100 RNW. This is a really nice looking winch. Heavy duty. And then some of the smaller applications here. You can see there, it says Braden right on it. These are really nice. We spent a lot of time on all our parts before we launch them into the store. And then there's these 2 smaller ones here, which would probably be in that 12,000 pound to 20,000 pound category. All right, how can you order yours? Let's go to the website and I'll navigate you through it. So when you go to your internet browser, just type in 3dconceptslimited.com up here in the left-hand corner, and then you'll click on it and you'll come to the home page. When you get to the home page, you can either hit all products, and on the sidebar, it shows you the menu of everything that's available. You can also, from the home page, scroll down, and there will be a window in here. We're going to have to add a window, and it's going to be winches. So you'll be able to find them, no problem. Once you find that window or that category, there's nothing to show on the website right now. It's all getting loaded into the store today. You can click on it, and it's no different as if you were to, say, go to our last launch, which was our load securement. And you can see all the really nice load securement stuff that we have available. The winch category is going to be just like this, and each winch will be listed and have all the details and the pricing. So when you go back to the home page, something I want to let the viewers know, and we've been letting our customers know, which we want to say a big thank you to everybody that's made an order. And we've got people that have ordered multiple times from us now, and we really appreciate your business. We're trying to get this company started and make sure that we are the leader in scale model parts, because we are putting out the best parts available. But let's look at here, customer builds and projects. Now, if you guys click on this when you visit the page, you can see that we've given a shout out to some of the builders that have used our products, and then we ask them to send photographs that we can post with their permission and their name, and then you'll see the beautiful work that they've created here. There's so many good model builders out there, and it doesn't matter what your skill level is. If you're using our stuff on your project or your build, we want your pictures with your permission, of course, and we'd like to post them into the website. So on that note, I just want to say thanks again to everybody for helping us get this going. And we really look forward to some exciting stuff we got coming up in the future. And for all my viewers that have been following my channel since I started it, I appreciate all the kind words and all the comments. And I do plan on having some updates on some of my projects here. The main one, which is the K100. I plan on having some updates on that one again here right away. So, but on that note, keep on building those models.